my channel. I'm Riz. So, ayun na nga mga Beshyyywap. Wap, 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 wap. Ngayon is our last day here in Barcelona. So, yes, we'll be going to check out now. And, of course, the gala is still continuation later on. It's continuing, so nobody can stop us. Even the rain is still raining now. It's actually raining at the moment. It's wet day today. If you can see that, look there. But we'll be going somewhere nice today. So hopefully this rain will stop in a minute. So ayan, kakain na muna kami ng breakfast and I'll update you mamaya. So, bye-bye, Mayora. See you in 2030. Charot. So ayan mga Beshyyywap, mag-elevator na kami. Look, may pinto ang elevator rito.
Wow!
Oh, sorry. Si yung dragon. Tanga naman ito. Oh, napakabobo. Bilis. Nakali yata. Si Mayora, ang bigat kasi naman. So, ayun na nga mga besh. Pababa na kami. So, we'll be giving this back to them. Otherwise, they'll charge us. So, ayan mga besh. It's better to do check out earlier rather than late kasi otherwise you have to pay extra money. Share lang. Ayan mga besh, wang wang wang. We're done checking out, but it's still wet here. Oh my god, it's still raining. Oh no, it's actually not actually raining now. So ayan, maghahanap na kami ng kakainin namin for breakfast. Ayan nga, sinasabi ko sa inyo mga Beshyyywap, when you're on holiday, kakain kayo lagi ng fast food kasi nga hindi kami included sa shit, potato. May tubig na tumulo sa akin. Hindi kami included dun sa breakfast sa hotel. So ayan, nakakagulat naman yun. Ayan na ang cathedral again. Ayan, we're just near the cathedral, that's why it's just like in front there. That's our hotel there. So anyway, mga Beshyyywap, ito na naman si Kuya ang nagtitindra. Oh, ayan. Ayan. Lagi na namin nakikita. So ayan mga Beshyyywap, paglalakad-lakad naman kami. Yeah. Paggabi, ang titinda niya, yung naihagi sa taas, yung may ilaw. Now he's selling umbrella. So ayan na nga mga Beshyyywap. Anyway, ang daming tao kahit maulan. Ayan o. They're enjoying even though it's raining here. Then, anyway, mga Beshyyywap, kakain na muna kami ng brekkie. I'm finished. Almost finished. Mga Beshyyywap, ang galing rito. Hindi ka maliligaw kasi every time na nag-i-stop yung train, nag-blink ang ilaw. Look. Like that, Fontana. Ayan, yan na rin next stop. Ang galing. So, bababa na kami sa another one, the lesson. Go. Wait. Ay, hindi. Open na. It's open. We're out of the station. Ayan, Metro Manila. Beshyyywap.
We're walking, going to the Park Guell ni Argel.
Napaka-hyper niya. So, ayan, umuulan na. Oh my God. Rain or shine kami, mga Beshyyywap. Be careful, Nay. Come on, quick. It's red. Ayan, mga jaywalking. Ayan, lalakad na muna kami, mga Beshyyywap. At ako yung hingal na hingal. Oh my God. So, ayan, mga Beshyyywap. Oh my God. Buti na lang may escalator. Napakataas lang, bulusok na namin, tinaas. Oh my God, nakakapagod at umuulan pa, maambon. Mayora, where are you? Ayan, pipicture siya. Ang ganda ng dito, look. Ganda ng mga structures. Ayan, look at that. At mas maganda ako, char! Ito talaga, napaka mo Ano tawag, kontrabida. So, ayan, look. Ang ganda dyan. Oh, at dito pa, look, ate. Can you see that one? Look, wap. Malapit na kami sa Park Guell. Whatever you pronounce it, but that's the way I pronounce it. Ayan. Look at the view. Puro trees. Ayan, ang ganda ng views dun, look. Mga beshi. Wow. Hi, mga Beshyyywap. Welcome back again and again. Ayan, narito kami sa loob ng Park Guell. Ayan. Buti na lang at hindi napaka-araw kasi otherwise talaga napaka-init. Buti fresh. But we're still sweating. Ayan, mga beshi, look at that. Ang view. Ang daming puno. Ayan. Mag-ikot-ikot muna kami at napakalaki daw ditong park na ito. We have the map here and we will see kung saan kami dadalahin. Ayan, mga Beshyyywap, mga nagkakagulo mga tao, ang dami. Yeah. Eating time, baguette. Mga Beshyyywap, kami ay inabot ng ulan. Ayan, may pa-raincoat si Mayo. Parang nawawala. Ayan, mga Beshyyywap, nakakainis. Ayan. Ang dami niya sinasabi, ginagamit na niya. Wala ka nang magagawa dyan. Ayan, mga Beshyyywap, kami naglalakad na papunta na subway, metro. Sasakay kami ng train papunta na aming hotel. Beshyyywap, sa ibabaw ito cathedral. Bye-bye! Yeah. We're going back to London, back to normal, back to work, and back to everything na. No more holidays. So my gulay. Thank you sa pagsama sa amin for this trip. And sana ay nag-enjoy kayo panonood ng aming mga videos. And don't forget to subscribe and put the notification bell beside it. And i-like mo na din yan at comment down below kung mayroon any suggestions or challenges na gusto mong gawin namin. So I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye-bye! Beshyyywap!